You know, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and people have come out for their morning walk, for the morning jog, for the morning tea, for newspaper, and look at me, look at us. We have already started our day and we are now at Baharampur. Now, Baharampur Lok Sabha constituency is extremely significant for two specific reasons. Number one, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Congress's leader of opposition from Lok Sabha, 5-time member of parliament, on the ticket for Congress once again. And on the other hand, you have Trinamool Congress that has pitted all-rounder Yusuf Pathan to challenge the might of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. But the moment you walk in to Baharampur, you find this. Baharampur nijer chhele ke chai, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. And why did I stop here? Because in 2021 Bengal Assembly election, it was one slogan that Trinamool Congress says, Bangla nijer mekei chai. Literally it meant that Bengal wants its daughter and daughter alone. That is Mamata Banerjee. Bangla nijer mekei chai. And taking a cue from there, you have this. Is it an attempt to invoke that sense of belonging, a personal feeling, a personal touch, to suggest that Yusuf Pathan is an outsider? Well, we are here on a campaign trail of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and you have an entire day.
Known as the Robin Hood of Baharampur, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has already spent more than 3 decades in politics and still counting. He says he isn't tired and has no election fatigue. A sharp critic of Prime Minister Modi, but his not-so-perfect Hindi had often left his critiques in Parliament in splits. At times, would also land him in trouble. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has not been fond of Trinamool Congress either. Like the left, he has been critical of Mamata Banerjee and accredited by Trinamool Congress as the sole source why India alliance did not work in Bengal.
So over there, people are throwing flowers at Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Adhir Da is returning the favor back with chocolates, candy. दादा कितने सारे बैग चॉकलेट्स के लेके निकले हैं सर?
है कुछ स्टॉक तो है।
मैं तब से देख रहा हूँ चॉकलेट देते जा रहे,
क्या करें,
कम नहीं हो रहा है।
स्टॉक रखने पड़ता है।
अधीर दा कहते हैं जीत का जश्न मनाया जाता है, जीत में खुशियाँ बांटी जाती है और मिठाई खिलाया जाता है। आप इलेक्शन से पहले सबको चॉकलेट खिला रहे हैं?
ये मेरा आदत है, पसंद करता है बच्चे लोगों के साथ।
हाँ,
सबको साथ सबसे वोट मांगता है, बच्चे लोगों को क्या मांगे। तो ये जेस्चर ऑफ एक ग्रीटिंग्स कहिए, एक अफेक्शन कहिए,
हाँ,
जो भी आपका मर्जी, कोई जश्न की बात नहीं है इसमें। सिर्फ मैं यहाँ आए हैं,
हाँ,
एक उनको अभिवादन करना चाहते हैं और कुछ नहीं।
তো এটা কি কন্ট্রাক্ট দিয়েছে না দাদার জন্য বাজাচ্ছো?
দাদার জন্য বাজাচ্ছি। প্রত্যেকবারই আসছি আমরা।
আচ্ছা, দাদা তোমার নাম জানে?
না, জানে না।
দাদার নাম জানে না? তোমার নাম কি বলে দাও?
আমার নাম সুমন।
সুমন, আচ্ছা। আর ইয়ে কি করো এখন?
কি করি, বাড়িতেই থাকি। কেন? পড়াশোনা করি।
পড়াশোনা করছো কোন ক্লাসে?
11-এ।
11-এ? তো পড়াশোনা ছেড়ে তুমি এখানে এসে পরীক্ষা নাই?
পরীক্ষা এখন নাই, ওই জন্য তো এসেছি। এখন অফ আছে।
তুমি তো ভোটারও নাও?
না।
হ্যাঁ?
না।
তাহলে তুমি এখানে কিসে, আনন্দটা কিসে?
এই বাজারে।
এটা দাও তো আমাকে একবার, এটাকে একবার দেখ। 1 2
ওই দেখে শিখতে হবে, ওরা যে বাজাচ্ছে না, যখন বাজাবে দেখে।
হ্যাঁ, এটা ধরে এরকম করে তো। আচ্ছা, তারপর
ওরা বাজাবে ওই।
চলো বাজা একটা দেখি একবার, এই পারি কিনা। it is not so easy to be in politics and of course contest election, and especially the elections are happening in this scorching heat. Aditya, I know I'm talking to a 5-time member of parliament, and in the parliament also there are very few 5-time parliament in the 17th Lok Sabha. Does it give you confidence, or is it like a confidence or a sense of extra responsibility that after 5 times there has to be a 6th time because Congress is relying on you?
See, I try to meet the expectation of Congress party, and I am leaving no stone unturned in order to get the seat retained. However, if it is an uphill task, because you know that over the decades, virtually we have been decimated by the violence and atrocities of the ruling regime. But in spite of all odds and adversities, I took up the gauntlet and to fight it out against the present regime in Bengal. Here, you know, not a single panchayat is held by Congress party. All have been looted. People who are not allowed to cast their vote, they have not been allowed to exercise their franchises. I have nothing at my disposal. Neither panchayat, nor municipality, nor MLA, nothing else. But however, I am enjoying the challenge. I always enjoy the challenge.
You enjoy the challenge, Aditya, but is it a lonely battle, or is it not a lonely battle for you? Is your party giving you full support?
100%, more than 100%. Without having the support of the party, how can I fight?
But why hasn't Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Ma'am Sonia Gandhi have come to campaign for you?
See, already Rahul Gandhi ji has taken a long march throughout our district during his Bharat Jodho Nyaya Yatra. Continuously, Rahul Gandhi covered more than 150 kilometers in my district. How much do we need from him?
Interestingly, one of the first things Wikipedia tells you about Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is also known to the people of Baharampur, as how early in his political career during 1991 State Assembly election, as a Congress candidate from Nobogram constituency, he was chased away by the left workers, his arch rival then. But this is 2024. Lot has changed. Now you would find posters of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary with CPM leader Mohammad Salim adorning Baharampur. There is a red flag posted on his election vehicle along with that of Congress's. And there are left workers today rallying with him, behind him. The left has supported him in Baharampur seat. He calls it a mere understanding.
In Bengal political landscape, Aditya, just now somebody said, Aditya, apna ke jane lal 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 salam. So the left parties have come in support of you, even though there is no official alliance.
See, here we have seat adjustment with the left party. So it is local dimension, local political dynamics, which had brought forward both the parties, and that is why, as a consequence of it, we have formed an alliance. Alliance means seat adjustment with the left party. It is not new in Bengal also. In the year 2016,
yes,
we have done it.
So one bag just got over, another bag has now come up. I am very curious to see how many bags are there with Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Even he is not running out of chocolates. Any child who is coming, he is getting a chocolate.
So long as my stock will permit, I will be offering the chocolate to them. They have the all. They have become the own. They have become the stockists on their own way.
Election time is also about some fun. Okay, it is so much of color. But tell me something. आपको गर्मी नहीं लग रहा है, sir?
धूप से बचने के लिए एक टोपी मंगवाया. छोटे-मोटे टोपी है और तो कुछ नहीं है. लोगों की सर पे टोपी नहीं डालते मोदी जैसे. हम अपने सर पे टोपी डाल लेते हैं धूप से बचने के लिए. आप
कह रहे मोदी जी टोपी पहना रहा है?
बिल्कुल पहना रहा है.
कैसे?
हाथ से नहीं. 10 साल से।
10 साल से टोपी पहना रहे।
बिल्कुल। ये बात जरूर महसूस हो रहा है सारे देशवासियों को कि मोदी जी की वो हवा अभी इस देश में नहीं आई, वो हवा अभी हावी नहीं है। और ये से मैं नहीं कहते, मोदी जी की अपनी पार्टी की एमपी कहने लगी।
सर आप कह रहे हैं मोदी जी सबको टोपी पहना है, तो मोदी जी क्या देश के लोगों को टोपी पहना है कि खुद के पार्टी के लोगों को भी टोपी पहना है?
देखो, किसी को भ्रमित करना,
हाँ,
किसी को गुमराहना,
हाँ,
ये सब तो टोपी की मतलब ही होते हैं ना।
हाँ।
15 लाख रुपया हर जेब में आ जाएगी मोदी सत्ता के आने के बाद। आए थे क्या?
मुझे तो नहीं मिला।
तो मुझे भी नहीं मिला, किसी को नहीं मिला। अगर कोई किसी को अगर मिली होगी तो मैं उसको पुरस्कार देने के लिए तैयार है। बता अब चुनाव आते हैं,
हाँ,
और मोदी जी एक एक जुमला निकालते हैं उनकी जेब से। कभी काले धन की, कभी काले धन की, कभी पुलवामा की, कभी एक देश।
Sun is actually on the head. It's unbelievable. Whew. He has just gone inside a mazar to offer prayers, and then the campaign would continue. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has gone up in this house, a party leader's house, in order to freshen up. In the meantime, let's catch up with couple of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's party workers, like Congress party workers. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए सर।
सफीउल आलम खान।
सफीउल जी, आपको क्या लगता है कि कांग्रेस और लेफ्ट एक साथ आने से अधीर रंजन चौधरी का आसान हो गया खेल या फिर मुश्किल हो गया?
ना आसान हो गया।
अच्छा,
वामफ्रंट का तो बहुत वोट है।
हाँ,
उस तो जोड़ जाएगा।
हाँ। लोग सवाल नहीं पूछते कि इधर पे जोट है, केरला में मारपीट है?
हाँ।
देखिए, इस तरह का वातावरण इधर होता नहीं है, क्योंकि पंचायत से लेके इधर जो हमारा साइकोलॉजिकल दूरी था सीपीएम के साथ, वामफ्रंट के साथ, चुनाव के वक्त लीडर लोग जो है या बूथ वाइज जो लीडर है वो लोगों का आपस में इतना मिलजुल के चलना है, चल रहा है कि इधर एडवांटेज ही है और इधर इस तरह का कोई सवाल नहीं है।
आपने एक शब्द इस्तेमाल किया, दूरी। जो दूरी पहले था, साइकोलॉजिकल जो दूरी है, तो ये दूरी मिटाए कैसे? गाना गा के?
देखिए, ये चलते चलते कदम कदम मिलते मिलते ऐसे ही हो गया।
बाबा, चलते चलते कदम मिलते मिलते।
सर, जो तृणमूल का जो दुर्नीति है ना, लोगों को मजबूर कर दिया एक दूसरे के साथ मिलने का। कुछ दिन पहले ही आपने देखा जो यहाँ की जो वेस्ट बंगाल में जो दुर्नीति है टीचर का, वो टीचर का दुर्नीति जो घर घर क्या हालत हो रहा है। बहुत घर है जिस घर में आज चूल्हा नहीं जल रहा है, बहुत लोगों का।
आप मुझे बताइए, नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए, कल अगर इंडिया अलायंस के पास कोई पोजीशन आ जाते एक साथ बात करने का, और ममता बनर्जी, राहुल गांधी अगर बगल में बैठ गए, तब क्या करेंगे? वोट तो मांग लिया एंटी टीएमसी वाला।
सर, ममता बनर्जी किस तरह की लीडर है, ये वेस्ट बंगाल की हर इंसान राहुल गांधी तो जनता ही जनता है जो
मेरा बात सुनिए,
हाँ,
राहुल गांधी, ममता बनर्जी एक साथ बगल में बैठे हुए पिक्चर तो आप बहुत बार निकला है।
हाँ देखा
right?
सर, हाँ देखा
तो
सर।
उसके बाद अभी आप लोग जोट में नहीं है, लेकिन कल अगर इंडिया अलायंस का जोट फिर से हो गया तब आप लोग क्या करेंगे?
सर एक परिवार में अगर 6 लोग हैं, अगर जो लोग शुरू से है उसके लिए दिल में जगह उस तरह की होता है, और जो लोग बाद में आता है उसके जगह उस तरफ की होगा सर।
अच्छा अच्छा
Why he was accepted gladly opposition alliance. See,
सब कहते हैं कि आदिरदा को बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है, लेकिन आदिरदा को सबसे पहला सवाल, हाउ आर यू लुकिंग सो फ्रेश? I was there with you. I am drained. You were also drained. How are you looking so fresh?
there lies the key of my success.
दाग भी धुल गए।
बदल लिया ना,
अच्छा, बदल दिए।
बिल्कुल।
अभी तो नया सिलसिला है, दाग लगे तो वॉशिंग मशीन में जाने का।
वॉशिंग मशीन में जिनको जाना है वो जाएंगे।
अच्छा अच्छा।
मुझे कोई वॉशिंग मशीन की जरूरत नहीं होते।
अच्छा, तो आप
मैं खुद साफ कर लेते हैं।
कैसे करते हैं सर?
बहुत सारे इंतजाम है इसके लिए।
Aditya, let's talk about politics now. You have been a 5-time MP. You know Baharampur, you know Murshidabad very well. And when I go meet people, they say Aditya is known to us. But very strangely, I found a tagline. Baharampur Nijer Dada ke hi chahe, Chele ke hi chahe. You couldn't come up with a new tagline. This was like
I have not explored any tagline.
Okay.
Spontaneously, any supporter may cite it or not, but I do not have anything to do it because I have not explored any tagline for me. I am directly connected to the common people.
Achha.
So I do not require any tagline or any other line. My line is straight line, go to the people, seek blessings from the people and win for the election.
You think there is an advantage for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary because you are from this place and Trinamool Congress candidate, he's from Gujarat. Do you think Yusuf Pathan lacks that kind of...
I am returning the seat consecutively in a row and this is the 5th term as you have stated. So certainly there are some sorts of incumbency certainly prevailed over here, which is common feature across the nation before the election. So certainly I have to face this kind of anti-incumbency. So Trinamool can take advantage of it. And my familiarity, my accessibility and my credibility to the common people, I think will suffice enough to move forward.
Okay, but this time when I speak to people, I was there. I was up much before you today. So I was there at the playground talking to people. They were saying, Adhirda, maybe this is the last time Adhirda is contesting. So we will go with Adhirda. Do you think
I have never tried to garner any sympathy by resorting to the idea of the penultimate session of my political career. No.
This is not.
This is all.
This is not a penultimate session.
No.
Okay.
All are gossiping. All are. I mean, maybe you have been misinformed or anything else. This kind of argument I have first learned from you people. It is not learned to me till the other day. I don't have any idea.
I asked you this question, how is the Josh? Now answer everyone, how is the Josh? How is the Josh?
Grit and determination.
Grit and determination. But Adhirda, no, some political question. There is a huge controversy now when Prime Minister Narendra Modi rakes up the issue of Mangal Sutra. And you know Mangal Sutra is a very emotive issue for women, be it Bengal, outside Bengal. Would you find it difficult convincing your voters that Congress is not after your Mangal Sutra? Because
it is the creation of Narendra Modi who has said, our leader Madam Sonia Gandhi, she has lost her husband, whom Modi ji tried to advise. Modi ji is simply finding no other alternative, trying to confuse the common people across the nation by creating some sorts of hulla baloo, in essence which is nothing but simply a drama. In India, the common people are in desperate need of having sufficient earning. Unemployed youth, they need employment. Poor farmers, they need remunerative prices. Common people, they need the soaring prices of their commodities should be stopped now. But where is Narendra Modi's answer on those issues? Only to divert the attention of the common people, only to dilute the non-performance of this government. He is trying to make an issue out of nothing. It is not an issue for the people of our country. No, it is not an issue at all for the people of our country.
In your constituency, sir, 66% voters. Now, it is an election commission categorization. 66% voters are minorities, are Muslims. Now, when Prime Minister says that Muslims would be favored by Congress, Muslims would be benefited by Congress, has it made your job difficult or easy?
No. It is an unmitigated falsehood. It is an unmitigated falsehood, unadulterated falsehood. And people of Bengal have already come to learn that Modi ji is a person who only, earned his reputation by spinning non-issue into an issue.
Okay, and finally,
and only with a single objective of deceive the common people. He may play a good deceiver. He may know the art of confusing the common people, but in essence, the common people across the nation, they are getting disenchanted with the Modi and the Modi charisma.
Is it
Modi charisma has been very fast diminishing across the nation. That must be kept in mind.
Is it desperation?
Yes, certainly desperation.
And what happens to India Alliance, sir? Finally, what happens to India Alliance? Because
India Alliance right now has been progressing by leaps and bounds.
Without Mamata Banerjee?
Mamata Banerjee is already excluded from us. Already she has been excluded from us. We are fighting against her. What is the need of this question?
Okay. No, well, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says that he doesn't need a washing machine, no washing powder. But at the moment, I can say that who questions your age, tell them that I'm wearing all white. I'm ready for the test match. I'm ready for the test match.
Yes. Every day I'm playing the test match.
Every day, Adhir
Life is a perpetual examination.
Okay. Adhir Das kitty is once again out. দিদি মমতা ব্যানার্জি বলছে লক্ষ্মীর ভান্ডার আপনি বের করেছেন চকলেটের ভান্ডার শেষই হচ্ছে না চকলেটের ভান্ডার
শেষ হলে কিনে নিয়ে আবার কি করব
Thank you so much. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, without mincing words, saying that Mamata Banerjee is excluded from the India Alliance, excluded by them, and that he is confident. He did not comment much on Yusuf Pathan, but the fact of the matter is, Yusuf Pathan is an all-rounder when it comes to the world of cricket. Whether Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary would prove himself an all-rounder in the world of politics and who would bowl whom out, again, we have to wait and see. But at the moment, the campaign trail of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary comes to an end. We have had a very long day. What you see here is possibly a minuscule part of the edited portion. The long day under the scorching heat had been extremely cruel and excruciatingly painful. Yet, we have survived, because there is a long way to go and many more candidates to cover, many more constituencies to cover. So at this point in time, winding up from Baharampur, but the road is long ahead. Thank you for watching. With video journalist Ronnie Shatra along with Shuman Gupta, this is Tamal Shah for News the Truth, NTT.